Good morning all of you. In the last video we have done the quantity calculation of earthwork in excavation of a single room building using long wall and short wall method. And today we will find out quantity of some other item of work, that are cement concrete work in foundation, brick work in foundation and plinth, brick work in superstructure. So let us estimate the first item of work, that is cement concrete work in foundation. So as we know, this one is the plan of a single room building, and this one is the sectional elevation which is drawn by taking section AB, and this one is the sectional elevation by taking section CD. So see, this portion is the bottom of the foundation, and here this is the cement concrete work. So this cement concrete work is a cubic meter item, and this item has length, breadth as well as depth. So this cement concrete work is to be done under the entire wall, that is including long wall and short wall. So now we will find out what will be the dimensions of this cement concrete work. So for taking out dimensions of the cement concrete work, we have to draw a plan at the bottom of the foundation. So this one is the plan of the bottom of the foundation. Here the wall thickness is 90 centimeter. In this side also it is 90 centimeter. So first we will find out what is the length of this cement concrete work. So this, in order to get the length of the cement concrete work, first we have to consider this center line length of the building. So as we have discussed in the previous class, the center line length of the building is same starting from the superstructure up to the bottom of the foundation for this particular drawing, as all the footings are symmetrically placed. And the center to center length for this one, this side is considered as long wall and this one is considered as short wall. So as we have already found out that this center to center length of long wall is 5.3 and center to center length of short wall is 4.3. So this will remain same. So in order to calculate the length of this cement concrete work, so we have to find out this length, that means the out to out dimension of the cement concrete work in long wall. So first we will calculate the quantity of cement concrete work along long wall, and then we will calculate the quantity of the cement concrete work in short wall. So for calculation of length, so this length will be equal to, see, this one is the center to center length, and in order to get the total out to out dimension, if we will add the half of the breadth on one side, as this is the center line length, so this one is half of the breadth and this is also half of the breadth. So half of the breadth on one side and half of the breadth on another side will add to the center line length, then we will get the total out to out dimension of this long wall. So center to center length plus half of the dimension width on one side and half of the width on another side, we will get the total out to out length of the cement concrete work in long wall. Then next come to the breadth. So what will be the breadth? So see, from this you can see the breadth of the cement concrete work is 90 centimeter. This dimension can also be taken from the sectional elevation. So you can easily mark here, this width is 90 centimeter. So breadth is equal to 90 centimeter. Then what is the depth? So depth will be taken out from the sectional elevation. You can see here the depth of the cement concrete work is 30 centimeter. This is the depth of the cement concrete work. So this one is 30 centimeter. Okay. Then we will move to our details of measurement form. So see, this is the second item. So serial number 2, item name is concrete work in foundation. First we will go for long wall. So in place of long wall number, we will write down simply 2. There are 2 numbers of long wall. So length you can see, center to center length is 5.3. So with that we will add half of the breadth on one side plus half of the breadth on another side. That means 5.3 plus 0.9 by 2 plus 0.9 by 2. So this will be equal to 6.2. Breadth is 0.9, depth is 0.3. So by multiplying these 3, we will get the total quantity, that is 3.35 cubic meter. Then similarly we will calculate our short wall. This is the center line length. Okay, so here this part is over, the long wall portion. So now this portion has already been calculated. So now we have to calculate only this much of length. So this length can be calculated by subtracting. We are having our center to center length as 4.3. So if from the center to center length means this much. So when we will subtract from this center to center length half of the breadth on one side and half of the breadth on another side, then we will get this left out length of this left out portion. So this length will be equal to 4.3, that means center to center length, minus this total width is 0.9. So when we will subtract half of the breadth on one side and half of the breadth on another side, we will get the length of the cement concrete work for short wall, and the breadth and depth will remain same as in case of long wall, because the wall is having same type of same width and depth in both long wall and short wall. Okay, then let us move to the details of measurement form. So you can see here you will write down short wall. The number of short wall is also 2. So in length, see here 4.3 is the center to center length minus half of the breadth on both side, it will be total one width 0.9 equal to 3.4 meter. 3.4 width remaining same 0.9 and 0.3. So see, mark one thing, the dimensions, that is length and breadth in this cement concrete work in foundation is same as your earthwork in excavation. Only difference is the depth. In earthwork in excavation, the depth is the depth from the ground level up to the bottom of the foundation, and in this case cement concrete work, it is the particularly only the depth of the concrete work. So by multiplying these 3, you will get the quantity of cement concrete work in short wall. So by adding up these long wall and short wall, we will get the total quantity of cement concrete work. So this is all about for today's class, and in the next class we will discuss about the other 2 items, that is brickwork in foundation and brickwork in superstructure. Thank you.